A Cleo verification failure usually means the app couldn't verify your identity, confirm your phone number, or successfully connect to your bank account. Identifying which verification step is failing will usually solve the problem much faster than repeating the entire sign-up process. By the end, you'll know the most common reasons Cleo verification fails, and the steps that typically get your account verified. Start by reviewing the information you entered. Check that your legal name, date of birth, email address, phone number, and any other personal details exactly match your official records. Even a small typo or an outdated phone number can prevent the verification process from completing. If your information is correct, move to your bank connection. Make sure you're linking a supported checking account that you actively use. Enter your online banking credentials carefully and complete any security verification requested by your bank. If the connection fails, disconnect the account, restart the Cleo app, and try linking it again. Next, check your phone. If Cleo sends a verification code by text message, confirm that your phone can receive regular SMS messages. Avoid requesting multiple codes in a short period because each new request may invalidate the previous one. Wait briefly, then use only the newest code you receive. Now rule out technical issues. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and install the latest version of Cleo. Running an outdated version can cause verification or login problems after app updates. Also, switch to a stable internet connection. If you're on public Wi-Fi, try using mobile data or a trusted home network instead. A weak or interrupted connection can stop the verification request before it's completed. If you're asked to upload an identification document, make sure the image is clear, well lit, and uncropped. The entire document should be visible, and all text should be easy to read. Poor image quality can cause automated verification to fail. If you've already uploaded your documents, avoid submitting them again unless Cleo specifically asks for another upload. Multiple submissions usually don't speed up the review process and can sometimes delay it. If everything looks correct but verification still isn't working, Cleo may be experiencing temporary server maintenance or a service interruption. Waiting a short time before trying again can resolve issues that aren't related to your account. If the problem continues after you've checked your information, updated the app, and verified your bank connection, contact Cleo support through the app. They can review your account and tell you exactly which verification step needs attention. To recap, confirm your personal details, reconnect your supported bank account, use a stable network, submit clear identification if requested, and contact Cleo support if verification still fails. If this guide helped you fix your Cleo verification problem, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides and financial app tutorials.